So here it is, the star of the show, the old Speckled Hen. We got these at Dan Murphy's, Coffs Harbour actually. They were $9 each or 3 for 18, so I went the 3 for 18 deal obviously. I love the deals at Dan Murphy's. Old Speckled Hen. This is 4.5%. I have to check. This is 4.8%. And it's got an interesting history. I'll have to read from your notes. It's a classic English ale apparently, with a rich history. It was originally brewed in Abingdon-on-Thames in Oxfordshire. Back in '79, it was brewed to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the MG car factory there. Now, it used to be brewed in Oxfordshire, now it's brewed in Suffolk in a place called Bury St Edmunds, and that's where this is imported from. So I'll just read a few notes on the back. Beer brewed in England by Morland Brewery, Bury St Edmunds. Imported into Australia, so this is good. This is it's not brewed on license here. That's great. Now, this is a 500ml bottle, and I haven't chilled it down to like what I'd chill an Australian lager down to. A little bit warmer. It's cold, but not chilled. And apparently that's the best way to try it. So I've got my trusty pint glass here. I'll open up and give it a go. Hopefully. Ooh. Old Speckled Hen. Now some interesting notes on the back of the bottle here. I'll read them out to you later after I've had a taste. I'm loving the colour. I love these 500ml bottles you get on the imports. Pretty much a perfect pint. Now 3 pints for $18 is pretty good, isn't it? $6 a pint. I reckon that's good for an imported beer. I don't smell toffee. It's definitely got a fruity sort of taste to it. Old Speckled Hen. It owes its name not to a bird, but to a car. A paint-spattered featherweight fabric saloon, the MG factory runaround, fondly referred to as the Old Speckled Hen, thanks to its mottled appearance. I'll try and find a photo of it. It went down to 10.8 degrees, which when I googled the ideal serving temperature, that was about right. Like cellar temperature in the UK. I'm used to drinking Australian lagers around 4 degrees. But It definitely brings out the flavours apparently, although you can taste all the flavours. Yeah, I like it, it's good. Maybe a little bit more chilled. I've got a couple more in the fridge. I might wait till I get them down to about 8 degrees. That sounds about right. Cheers everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.